These are the Makita M8700 and M8701 rotary hammers. They are part of the MT series that carries the slogan, Simple, Solid, Power. These are essentially the same drill with a few differences that set them apart. Firstly, the power. The 8700 has 710 watts, where the 8701 has a higher 800 watts, giving it more torque and a slightly longer operating time. Next is the drilling capacity, with 22 mils on the 8700 and 26 mils on the 8701. They both have drill and rotary hammer functions, but what makes the 8701 different is the addition of the hammer function. You can also adjust the angle of the chisel. The extra blows per minute on the 8701 also make an added difference. If we look at the speeds, we have 1100 RPM on the 8700 and 1200 RPM on the 8701, which is perfect for masonry drilling. Now, features that both drills share include the torque limiting clutch, which feels very similar to that on the higher end ranges, which is a bonus. Directional switch is accessible from both sides, the long 4-meter cable, variable speed trigger with a lock-on button, sturdy auxiliary handle with depth stop, and a very nice ergonomic and comfortable feel. Overall, two very impressive power tools. Now, these are just some of the rotary hammers available at Builders. For more, check out the Builders website or visit the YouTube channel.